Hello, Jose. My name is Viviana. Welcome to this video. I just want to share with you some tips and tricks that you can do to improve the traffic to your website. So I wanted to start with your website. So let's have a look at the content. I really like that it is a very well laid out website. You have the phone numbers, click to call buttons at the top for your social media accounts, a little bit of description of the services that you provide. So that's really easy to navigate and very easy to reach out to you guys. Now let's have a look at the amount of content. So right now your front page has 543 words. Let's have a look at your competitors. So Precision Doors, they have 518 words, so a little bit less, but they are outranking you. And Super Garage Doors, they have 517 words. So it's important to have a look not only at the amount of the content. Okay, so more and more relevant content. Now let's come in here, and that's in the Google search. So we have Garage Door Repair Miami, which is a buyer intent keyword, basically what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. And you will find three sections. The first one is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but the flip side is that they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly, and some people can just turn them off in their browsers. Now the second section is the Google Map Packs, and these ones are having a great and massive impact on businesses because they are driving 40% of the traffic. So you really want to be on the top three. To rank at the top, you need three things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on any directory, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, all of those. And the important thing is that you need to have those details on those directories need to match those on the Google Business Profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. I actually had a look at the first page of the GMBs or the Google My Business, and I couldn't find you. So that's an opportunity for you because if you are able to rank at the top, you're gonna get more and more traffic. The idea, the objective is to be at the top in the GMBs and also the Google search. Now, the third section is the Google search, and to rank at the top is a combination of both the content and the backlinks. And to analyze a website, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs is showing me that you have 370 backlinks in 46 referring domains. What that means is that there are 370 links in 46 external websites directing traffic to your website. Let's have a look at Precision Doors. They have 1,110 uh, backlinks in 86 referring domains, and Super Garage Doors, they have 768 backlinks and in 222 referring domains. So a little bit of work to do in that aspect, and also just making sure that those backlinks are created in websites that are powerful and relevant to your niche and to your service and industry, because Google has algorithms to actually verify that. And it's going to be able to verify whether or not it's gonna give you points and it's gonna regard you as an authority for the service or the niche that you are serving if those backlinks are in powerful websites. Now let's have a look at the contents or the organic keywords. Here I filter by Miami, Florida, or FL. And just to show you the difference, so this dashboard, let me step back, this dashboard showing me the keywords. This column here, the volume, is showing me the number of searches per month for that particular keyword and the position in which you are appearing for that particular search term. So, for example, Garage Doors Miami has a search volume of 300. And because you are in position number 5, you were able to drive 44 visits to your website. Garage Door Repair Miami has a search volume as well of 300, but because you're in position number 9, you were able to drive 9 visits to your website. So see the difference just from position 5 to position 9. And that's how it works. That's why you want to be at the top of the organic search. And that's just for those two keywords. Now, if I look at your competitors, so Precision Doors, they are ranking for 420 organic keywords, and this is just a landing page for Miami. The same keywords, Garage Door Repair Miami, they are position number 1, and because of that, they were able to drive 111 visits to their websites. And Garage Doors Miami, because they're in position number 3, they were able to drive 69 visits to their website. So the difference is huge in terms of the number of visits. And that's why you want to rank at the top. So just to recap, um, you want to include more and relevant content, just targeting specific keywords. You want to definitely boost the traffic to your website through the GMBs by ranking at the top. And you also need to include more powerful backlinks so that you can take and grab those positions at the top of the organic search. If you like what you saw on this video, Jose, you can actually go and do this by yourself, or you can actually reach out and arrange a one-on-one consultation with me. I will be more than happy to hear about you. My details are at the bottom of this email. And thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.